Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for connecting with me and for finding me again. As you guys know, there's been so much time that has gone by between this video and the last video. I mean, I'm back from Qatar. The pandemic came immediately afterward. Working in healthcare, working in the ER, so as you can imagine, like content creating was not like top of mind. It was really hard to try to like make that a priority, but I'm so glad that you guys connected with me again. If you recall, I love all things fashion, I love culture, I love history. I've shared a bit of me, as I said, living abroad. So I'm hoping to kind of continue to blend a bit of that into some more videos for you guys. Today, my dad is from Ghana, West Africa, so today we're making light soup with him. So really, it's been also a journey personally trying to really tap into like the West African part of my culture and my heritage. So it was really, really nice to be able to share this really special moment with my dad, to have him kind of teach me a bit of my culture, particularly when you are kind of born outside of the country where that culture originates. I was born here in the US, so between that and also kind of blending in like my West Indian, Caribbean culture, right? I also want to make time for my West African heritage as well. So enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy meeting my dad. Please let me know if there's other things and other content that you would love to see from me. As I said, I want to be more hands-on and kind of creating more things and sharing. I have tons of video between my laptop and my phone, but I just need to share that with you guys. So let me know what you think. Until next time, enjoy. Bye.
You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, Angela. No, you know I'm sort of camera shy.
Shy since when?
Since the day you were born.
Guys, he's being very cute right now. He's very outspoken, and that's what I love about him.
But my name is Joseph Barima, or should I say Dr. Joseph Barima or Professor Joseph Barima, whichever way you want to call me. Anyway, I'm an African, as you can tell by my accent, and I've taught Yale University for a number of years. Just basically retired this year, and as you can tell, I am not a professional chef, but whenever Angela is home, she forces me to try to cook her something, because she wants to learn all the cultural stuff. So I'm teaching her how to make the African soup.
Yeah. So I can add to the
good
fish,
meat soup.
The fish pepper soup. That I know how to make that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be on here. So we put the eggplant in there.
When I say make it hot.
Okay, but I tell you, if it gets too hot, don't blame me.
Remember, when I was small, I used to come and visit.
Yeah, but how long has it been?
And did you used to make it this way, the regular way?
It's been 31 years ago.
I know, but still.
We put the peppers in here.
Okay, so let's put the peppers in.
The 2 peppers in.
Okay, and what kind of peppers are these?
These are very hot.
What, that habanero?
No.
Scotch bonnet?
Yeah, well, these are special type habaneros. These are scientifically made to be very hot. Okay. Just like that. Okay. We take out the end here, which is a bit sour, so we don't want it sour. So we take this part out. This is the middle part of the onion. Take it out and we put it in whole, just like that. It's gonna all get softened up, and then we're gonna take them out and blend them. Yes, we're gonna sprinkle this with a little bit of sea salt, not a whole lot. Okay, we can always add if it's not enough, but just so, which would be about a teaspoonful or maybe even less. Add a little bit of water. Quarter of the pan.
Okay.
So we put it on burner, maybe put it at mid-range heat, and then we cover it up for now. Once it boils up a little bit, I'm going to take the fish out, and then let the others boil until the tomatoes and the peppers and the onions are done. Soft enough that we can blend.
Okay.
So.
But you leave the fish in because you don't want it to break up in the soup.
Yeah, that's why I take them out. And then when the soup is about to get done, we put the fish back in.
Okay, so when you take the fish
and then
out,
we put the crab in there also.
Okay, so you'll take the fish out, let that cook more, then take the stuff that you leave in there, like the tomatoes, the onions,
And then
blend it,
and pour it back in there.
Okay, yeah.
Meanwhile, we're gonna now add a little bit of tomato paste.
Okay, now?
Yeah.
We start the preparing.
Yeah. You take about a spoonful like that.
Tomato paste?
Yeah. Put it in. That should be enough. Okay. Now the tomatoes are just about ready for blending, but I'm gonna let it boil a little bit longer, just so at least I can get the onion to be. You take the fish out, we'll blend some of the eggplant, put it in before we blend the tomatoes and all the other stuff.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so now let
What's
it
this
just.
thing we have here? What's this?
That's
more
tomato
tomato
paste. Now, once we're taking the fish out, we'll put a little bit of tomato paste in there before we put the eggplant. But you can put the tomato paste in there anytime, even if the soup is about getting ready. You can put the tomato paste in there anytime. So you don't have to worry about that for now.